see me, we are going to make art. Make sure you wear messy clothes because we like to get messy in art. This is the art room, and over here we have a beautiful new rug that you can sit on while we are going to use the smartboard sometimes, and you'll get to come up and touch it and interact with it. It's going to be so fun. And we have lots of supplies. As you can see, it's kind of messy. Over here we have a big drying rack to put your paintings on. And come on back here. This is the kiln room. And this is where the kiln is. The kiln is this machine right here, and we put our clay projects in there. And they bake and get very, very hot. And when they come out, they might look like this. And this is a pinch pot, because we pinch it. And you're going to make a pinch pot this year. I can't wait to see you in art class. Bye-bye.